This is Borough Market in South London. This food market is very old. It's lunchtime on Thursday and the market is busy. The market is only open on Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Visitors love Borough Market. It's full of delicious food and drink. There are over 100 stalls at the market. People from different countries work here. Many people sell food from their own countries. They all speak English. And they speak a lot of other languages too.
Hi, my name is Mariana and I'm from Greece.
My name is Aurore and I'm from France. A really French name.
My name is Sofia. I'm from Portugal.
My name is Magali and I'm from Mauritius.
My name is Michelle and I'm from Switzerland.
My name is Fabien and I'm from France.
What food do you like? Do you like cheese? Michelle sells cheese from Switzerland.
I really like cheese, but I dislike seafood.
Fabienne sells delicious cheese from France.
I love cheese and I don't like coffee.
Do you eat meat? Graham is English, but he sells meat from Wales. He loves Welsh lamb the best.
I really like roast lamb. I really don't like aubergines.
Some people don't eat meat, but they eat a lot of fruit and vegetables. There's fresh bread and delicious cakes and sweets at the market too. Do you like tea? The English love tea, and the best tea is from India. Ratan sells Indian tea at the market. He makes tea for all of his customers. They love it. Fabio and Robert don't like tea, but they both love coffee. They make the best coffee at the market. A delicious cup of coffee costs £2.30. Every year, over 4 million people come to Borough Market. They try delicious food from around the world, and sometimes they find new food they love.